So in this subject, we are going to understand how to add your domain to the
Google search
Google Search Console. Okay? So you go here, you click this button, you click add property. Okay. So you have to be on the Google Search Console page, and then you click add property. Here you add the domain. So let's go to Skype. So this is your domain. So you copy this, copy, go back, go, I'll paste it here. So we are going to take the whole DNS thing. So I would like to verify it from the left-hand side panel, the domain thing, so that we access all URLs, all subdomains. Okay. So this is going to help you in keeping a tab of the health of your website. Okay. So by Glucose Trust. Okay, let me just remove this for a second. Example. So you click continue. Then you get this code. Copy this. Okay. And Skype.
You can go here. I have also opened the builder role.
Paste it. Well, I already have it on my end.
Okay.
So paste it there. So okay, so let's do it on your builder if you have it open.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Is here.
Yep. So then you simply go to office.builderall.com. So let's open a new tab. Office.builderall.com. You go here. Okay, we don't want the cheetah builder. You click apps. Then you go to DNS. So once this opens up, you find your domain by Glucose Trust. Okay, then you click manage, and then you click manage DNS, and then you click continue. Okay. Here you click add, and it's the TXT record.
TXT format.
Right, it says TXT record, right?
TXT record.
So you take the
TXT
record, you click add. Here you add this record, and here
domain name.
You add the domain name. You click save. There you go. And then you go back to, okay, cool. You go back here, okay, and you click verify. So this may take a few minutes. So let's click OK. And let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, now this is finally verified. It took a few minutes, but yes, as long as you followed the instructions as per this video, it would get verified. Okay, so this is where I would like to finish this particular subject.